Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it's been a while and that is completely my fault. I really have been procrastinating on the videos that I want to post because I just don't know exactly, what content, your girl should be posting. I have plenty of ideas, but today I'm going to do a review on the raw sugar scrub. Listen, this is a raw sugar lemon scrub. This is about a 15 fluid ounce container. And listen, I posted this on my Snapchat about a month ago, and a lot of people was asking me, to give reviews and how does it actually work. And I couldn't give a review on a product I never used. So I was like, okay, let me take some time to see if it actually works, and then I would do a review on it. So girls, okay, well, I guess it can be for unisex, to be male or female, because it is an exfoliating scrub. So you can use it, anybody can use it. So with this scrub, okay, so I got this on eBay for $11.79. A seller was selling it, but on market, when I actually looked it up on Google, this size goes for about $25. So I got a good deal, and I was planning on giving you all the description, so that giving you all the link to the seller. But when I wanted to find the link, the seller took this off of eBay, and I believe she did that because I had a little shipping problem, so she ended up actually giving me a refund, so I got this for free. But when you look this up, most places you will find this is around $25 for this size, for the 15 fluid ounces. So first I want to tell y'all, this is how much I've used within a month. It's not a lot, but it is a lot because of the fact that I use it so frequently that I have used about a good inch of this bottle. So I'm definitely going to be ordering some more soon. But since it's a exfoliating scrub, you can use it on anything. You can use it on your face. You can use it on your body parts. I got this because I actually saw a trend on Twitter. And the trend was, look, listen, it's explicit, but the girl, she posted her vagina, and everybody was like, oh my God, what do you use? It's just matching your skin. You have no razor bumps. You have no dark spots. What do you use? And she posted this. So I said, let's try it. Let's see if this actually works. So yes, I purchased it and I've used it for over a month now. And when I tell you this thing works, it works. And on here, it doesn't necessarily have directions. So what I did was I would either shave or not shave, put it on, where your area is. Like you can put it on your lips or on like the I guess the pube part, but don't put it inside anywhere. This is supposed to be exterior. And so what I would do is I would let it sit for about 10 minutes before I got in the shower, and I would rinse it off. So by doing that, I've noticed that it actually works better when you shave first, because I guess it's going directly to your skin. Either way, you can feel the results. You can feel how soft your skin gets, and I've noticed like it actually does take away dark spots. It helps very well with razor bumps. I've had no problems with razor bumps recently, and it actually does its job. And it's by Raw Sugar Company, okay? And this is actually an expensive company apparently, and it's the Sugar Scrub Exfoliate, Nourish, and Renew, made from natural sugar cane and plant-based blend lemon sugar. And it smells, I wish I could smell it. I wish I could, but oh my God, it smells so good. And I'm gonna show you all, okay, you see it's a little scrub. I'm gonna get a little out. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. And I'm going to put it back in my bottle because, like I said, this stuff is expensive and it does the job and I don't want to waste it. But I also used it on my face. It really helps with my face too. It got a lot of my dry skin off, especially since it's winter time now. This is really beneficial. So ladies, if you do tend, ladies or gentlemen, if you do tend to use this, I would just leave it on your face for maybe 5 minutes and then wash it off with warm water and a towel. If you're using it for your vaginal area, I will leave it on just maybe 10 minutes or just a few minutes before you get in the shower to rinse it off. But I do want to say this actually works. This actually works, okay? Get it together, honey. There you go. And I will also put in a link in the description. I guess I can look up another eBay link or I'll look it up on Amazon, but I will definitely put a link so you all can look at this. But thank you all for watching this. Also, I do apologize for not being on YouTube for over a month. Like, I literally got 2 jobs and I sell lashes on top of that, and then I just really got lost with YouTube. I just didn't know what else to post. But your girl is back now. Your girl is back.